Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So it is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding and daily use collection. Beautiful ideas, handmade knitting variety, mostly girls like beautiful crochet handbags. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbags. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different variety, different style, fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting variety. Like and share my video, follow my channel, press the bell icon, put me in comment section, and viewers, you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet different dresses, crochet handbags, beautiful jewelry, fingerless glove design, neck warmer, dog sweater, cat bed, amigurumi toys, and different ideas. Follow my channel, like and share my video, and press the bell icon. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.